and I'm just waiting a bit. So you guys are gonna hear awful mic quality. That's fine because the last few times I've I've used the microphone. It just sounds way too loud for me. So you guys are just gonna hear this awful mic quality until I learn how to use that. So I wait and I wait for hours at a time. I was about to sing the national anthem, but then I thought that looks kind of retarded on stream. So, um, lead it down down to the riptide, take it away from the dark side. Wanna be your left hand man. I love you when you're singing this song, and I'm my throat 'cause you sang the words wrong. You'll never say the N word on this channel. When is this guy gonna come? I can't say any slur, which is more troubling for to me because I'm used to hearing a lot of that all the time. It's like I don't hear it and I can't say it now because I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube. So um, it just feels weird right now. So yeah, but hopefully it comes in a few minutes. I have to go. N word. N word. N word. Um. Guard is fascist. You have to cope. Just objectively isn't. What are they talking about in this GC? Because we talk a lot about stuff in Awesome Sauce. If you coincidentally are just here on Twitch or YouTube, um, you also stream on the other platform that starts with an R. I don't think I can say that website on Twitch. I don't think so. I think I could say X on Twitch. I don't think I could say the R word. Not like that R word, but like the stream platform. I don't think you can say that. They have a really strict terms of service for some reason, which objectively is bad, in my opinion. What's taking this guy so long? It's been 6 minutes. No, 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 well, I'm going to talk more about this. What do you guys think of the homesteading argument by Rothbard? I think it's I don't know. You all know a Rothbard homesteading argument, unless you're watching this for the first time. But you all know Rothbard's homesteading argument. Um, just the first person to approve a plot of land gets that land. Uh, I have rashes all over. I feel sick. I have a headache right now. I don't know why. I've never had an allergic reaction to fish before because I ate like Spanish soup before this and it contained fish and shrimp, and I have no idea if that's what caused this or something else. Because as soon like 20 minutes after I ate, I started having like a very bad reaction to the food, and I'm like, what the fuck happened here? Hopefully, it isn't an illness or a parasite that I'm allergic to. Um, there are a few things I'm allergic to. dog. Sometimes isn't this guy gay? Wait a minute. Am I misremembering who this is? Am I misremembering? Okay, so I have a mutual on Twitter, right? Who basically um is a homosexual, right? And then under like a softcore porn, like those comments in X, it's a big problem where it's like an image takes an almost nude image of herself, and then on the X thing, she's like sending pics to everyone who says hi, something like that, right? This motherfucker just said hi. I can't say the other word I want to say, but this motherfucker said hi, and he's a homosexual, which is like what? Wikipedia article. What is New York? Oh, like Andrew Carnegie, probably Albany, New York State, New York City. Yeah, it depends. In California, there's like 6 cities, but also, what about Texas? I mean, Texas doesn't have that many distinctions, so that kind of makes sense. But what about Florida? I would imagine Florida should have more. Massachusetts makes sense. Virginia should probably be longer than Kentucky's. Wyoming makes sense. This guy, 11 minutes ago. I know you're there. You're just not trying to respond to me. 12 minutes ago. 12 minutes ago. This was 9:21, 10 minutes ago. So, I don't know, I'm just kind of bored. Sorry, I hate that. I hate that song. But, let me see who's telling the truth. But, what's a good song? I'm singing the FDL song. Despacito, suave, suavecito. Poquito, poquito. Es un rompecabezas. Ay. This is the best I could do. Like, I have a stuffy nose and shit, so that probably sounds like shit. But I'm more dog. This guy, it's been 8 minutes since the stream started. He hasn't come yet. And he says he's eating, which I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. It takes a long time to eat. But, like if you're going fast, he said he would go fast. So I would imagine if you would go fast, you would go at like, for probably 11. But, oh, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, tutoring time.
Yeah, let me change.
It's all fine. Take all the time you want because I'm on break right now. I don't need to do all that stuff. I was recently let go, but my final test was not that good. Um, Especially for physics. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I can't do physics for shit. I can do math. I could do. You said you were doing Gaussian elimination. I could do that. I probably should do what was it? It's called whiteboard. Oh no, what happened?
That's good.
Now we're ready, right? We're ready.
Yeah.
So what is like one of the first things you need help with?
Uh, test is on a series and sequences, and then parametric equations, polar equations. So I'll just show you. There was like a thing I had a question on. I just the hell. Okay. Anyways, let me find the thing I had a question on. Um. No. Ugh. Right. So no, not that. Huh. Wait. Give me a bit. I need to find it. What is it? Huh. Um. Wait, what? Swear I had it, but no, I can't find it. Right. Where is it? The hell?
Now for this
All
specific
right.
topic,
Yeah, it was like a really specific thing, but now I can't find it. It was like a thing on a test that they gave me. Like it was something I didn't do. They marked it, but like I had no idea what the hell it meant. So I was trying to find that, but now I can't find it. So I got some other questions. I'm pretty sure. um, I'll just look at my tests. The easiest way to find things I have problems on. Uh, on this one, yeah, this. A bit of question on this. So this is one of my test problems. Which part paste images? Right. Uh, the fuck? Why can't I just? Can I?
you have to click
Huh.
on the pencil.
Oh, I'm trying to paste an image.
I don't think you can.
It's kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Ah,
Like, can you share your screen for this?
share my screen. Okay. Uh, I'll just crop my name out of there. Oh, my name's right there. That's not helpful. Um, wait. I have a screenshot. I can just put it on Google Drawings. Okay. And then I'll share my screen.
I should close out of this.
Okay, it was this problem. I mean, I made some minor mistakes. I think like a refresher on how to do this, and I got a 3 out of 6 on this problem for some reason because I did it wrong.
003 error. Ooh, okay.
So
So
obviously, I'll pull up the scribble. So I did this part wrong. It should be. Well, I did put +1, so that's wrong, right? Like I just need a refresher on this, and I'm
honestly,
too
me
lazy to
too.
go
I
look
I
for the.
haven't done this stuff in like 2 months, 2 months, 3 months.
Okay, I'll just pull up my test bucket. Here's my name here.
Yeah, are there corrections for this?
Right. There's a bit of it. It's right here.
Can
Uh,
I see that part? Wait,
what?
wrong. It's
Wrong
990.
final answer. Yeah, so apparently that's wrong.
So
Apparently
what
it's
was?
9,998.
I forgot
Wait,
this.
I gotta use n+1. Oh, that's why I did it wrong.
Yeah,
That's probably why. It should be an+1 and not an+1. Okay, I I think I think I understand this. I think
oh
maybe.
shoot, I was the one that zoomed in, not you. Sorry. How do I close out of this?
Um, but yeah, so can't find the other thing. I wish I could. Like that was so confusing.
Is this one? Oh, you got points on this one.
Mm.
AST.
No, this isn't it. I mean, I understand this. This is so bullshit. It's just so fucking bullshit. It's literally right here. I literally wrote it down. It's literally like this is so fucking bullshit. Like I was literally using it in limit comparison. Why the fuck would they do that? Okay, maybe I can find it still.
I
Hell is
remember you
this?
did you did say
Ratio
like your
test found
professor.
limit.
You did like have a you're right, my professor thing where it's like your professor was like,
Fucking 1.8.
yeah,
Uh, okay.
38 points
Why
per
can't
point.
I fucking find it? I posted like a screenshot on Twitter too, complaining about what the fuck that means, but now I can't find it. Oh wait, did they remove it? Because I saw my points went up.
Bruh.
That might be it. I might just remove that section because it was too confusing.
Dog,
I thought it was confusing too, and I swear to
dog,
God we didn't learn that shit.
dog. You leaked your name.
Yeah, I know. I
Mm,
told you.
bruh.
What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna
You don't
find
even
a
know
way.
which university I go to. You don't even know which university I go to.
Hmm.
And I did that wrong. Uh, okay. I actually did worse on my other midterm. Let me unshare my screen for a bit so I can pull up my other midterm and I can stare at it and try to figure out what I did wrong. Wrong
Class covered
class.
AST? I don't think my class covered AST.
I don't know. Apparently it's pretty easy. But like I've been so distracted today. I didn't even finish a 40. Oh yeah. That was silly. That was so fucking retarded.
Oh no, we did cover
I got full
alternating
marks.
series test. It was just like my teacher didn't abbreviate it, and like my teacher didn't make it that convoluted. In calculus, trying to determine
Using integration by parts and L'Hopital's. What the fuck? Yeah, I got questions about this.
pretty simple. At least it sounds like. Hopefully, it is, unless it was like one hell of a question.
Yeah,
Natural
so
log of n over n cubed. Hint
what does
the
this
nature
mean?
of
What question even was this? Was this evaluate? Oh no, test these
test these
theories of
series below
convergence.
for divergence. Wait, for divergence, what did it say again?
Divergence or convergence.
Integral log of n.
So that's divergent.
The integral.
What did I
Well,
get on that?
you use the
Cardboard.
integral test, don't you?
Wait, what the hell did I even do wrong here? How do we evaluate this? I don't fucking know. How do we evaluate this?
You use not
What?
you use you use the chain rule to find the integral and see if the integral converges or
Wait, what did I
diverges.
even do here?
Um,
Integral test. Yeah,
yeah,
I took the integral. I think. I think I took the integral. Did I take
dv
the integral? Yeah, I did.
over n cubed du. See, I can't read your handwriting.
Me neither. I don't remember what I did here.
I thought my handwriting was bad. My teacher
Yeah.
like told me to my face that I shouldn't write in red ink
Mhm.
because I wrote one homework in red ink, and he was like, "Don't do that shit again,"
Uh-huh. Yeah.
and because it gave him like headaches or something.
Oh my god. Okay, let me try to figure out what I did here, so I can figure out why I got a point off. Integral test. Ln n
What are you
over
trying?
n cubed. I got to do the integral test, so I take the infinite integral, and then yeah, I add the limit thing equals that. Oh, I think no, I did that right because I was following the thing minus limit 1 over -2 n squared times 1 over n. Yeah, and then blah 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 blah. So, oh yeah, yeah, okay, I get what I did. So how do we evaluate this limit? Like how? L'Hopital's rule?
Tall's rule. That just means infinity over infinity turns into the
Where I could have just used fucking. Oh, wait, I during this test I didn't even know what the hell limit comparison test was or whatever it was. I should can find that. But oh yeah, I need help on Taylor series and Taylor polynomials.
This is
And
where
there's
my
no test on
expertise
that. I
lies.
should ask you to
Finally,
explain it.
I am useful for something because I can't read your handwriting right now.
That's fine. I'm mostly just figuring out what I'm doing wrong right now. I don't even know why I'm here then. So yeah, could you explain like Taylor series and stuff? Maybe I'll find
So
a problem or something.
a Taylor series. My teacher tried to explain this to me as
Yeah.
professionally as possible. I'm gonna open up Desmos for a
Uh
second,
huh.
and I'm gonna try to explain this the best I can. Uh,
No, no, wait. I don't need you to explain the concept. I
uh,
just need you to explain how to do questions if there's Taylor's. Hold on. I just pulled up my homework. Hold
like
on.
okay,
Yeah, I got a fucking 0 on this one. Fuck is this shit? Fuck is this?
guess
Hold
what?
on.
I got 100 on all my previous 4 homeworks, and they were all like multivariable, maximum, minimum.
God damn. That sounds difficult because I don't even know what the hell that is. Why the hell did I get this wrong?
The midterm for that one was really hard. I got like a 75, and then the other class was like got
I
like
got like
90s.
80s on all the midterms, and that was after they curved it. Okay, I found my homework. Let me share my screen. So you got something to go off of. Like,
Hopefully,
I don't know what the
you
fuck is this. Find the Maclaurin series of the function this, and I got this wrong for some reason. Like I hated this because like it's making me do a whole fucking lot of math, and also it was like two things multiplied together. I think I was supposed to find separate ones for each and then multiply them or something like that. It's fucking bullshit.
No, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to 7x squared times the function e to the minus 10x. So you're supposed to find the Maclaurin series of e to the minus 10x, and then you
Yeah.
multiply it by 7x squared. And so
Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah.
what I would do here is did you close out of the whiteboard? No, you didn't. Go back to the whiteboard. I keep having to read
Yeah.
space. So what you're supposed to do here is you're supposed to 7x squared times
Yeah.
the Maclaurin series for this, which would be uh, I need to close that, and then I need a. I hate how this works. Why does this not work the way I want it to? And then
Oh,
and then
I
you
just
need to
remembered.
expand this to um, minus 10, and then this is 1 plus minus 10x plus minus 10x squared over 2 factorial plus
Yeah, that makes sense.
minus 10x cubed over 3 factorial, yada 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 yada. That's what you did wrong
Yeah.
here. Additionally, I don't know what he means by C1, C2, C3, and C4 and C5. That's very ambiguous. I would have. Did you ask him about that?
No,
Because
I mean I understood it. It was just like the coefficients or something. Yeah, because
because
like it's just the coefficient when n equals one, and then n equals two, n equals three, n equals four, n equals five, right? Or
oops.
non-zero ones. I'm not sure, but that's the answer.
Um,
Oh, they had a zero. Yes, it was just all of them.
because after this you're supposed to get 7x squared times that, so all of them. So this would be 7 minus 70 x cubed. 7x squared minus 70x cubed. No, 7x squared minus 70x cubed plus yada 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 yada. So I don't know
Yeah,
if he wanted like C1 equals 0 or C2 equal C1 equals 0 or C1 equals 7. That's what's confusing me here about this problem.
yeah. Okay, and I just remembered I have a practice final, so I could just pull that up. It's
It's
probably
actually
got
more helpful.
kind of like nothing like the actual final, but like it's still got the problem that I can.
And one of your
What
professor
the
has like
fuck?
1.8.
1.8. Yeah, apparently the practice final does nothing like the final. Practice final. Here it is. Small ass screen. Right. Let me share my screen. Okay. Yeah. So
How many questions is this?
what the fuck? I don't know. Oh, I'm dying. Why is there 19 questions on this thing?
Yeah,
Okay,
then it
well,
should be
I'm
two.
pretty sure there won't be 19 questions on the actual final, right? Okay, how would I even do number one? Like, I would have to write out the thing first,
I
right?
don't
Like,
think you do because it's you add by point 0.8, subtract by point 0.5, add by the next minus that, plus minus plus minus. I think it'd be 2.5, right?
what is this? Yeah,
Minus
we didn't even fucking learn this. I swear we didn't learn this. Why? Oh my god. They weren't fucking lying when they said the practice final has nothing to fucking do with the final. Bro, swear to god.
find.
Okay, next one is like, yeah, this would be negative 2.5, right? Because it just obviously is going infinitely towards negative 2.5. And I'm gonna get 5 points off for not doing the fucking Boogaloo theorem or whatever. Fucking bullshit.
Don't ask me what I'm searching up right now.
I don't know what you're searching up right now. I didn't even know you were searching things up, so. Oh,
I'm the 11th member of the
fuck.
following, so I'm gonna.
Wait, the N cancels out. Does that mean. Wait. I'm too sleepy for this shit, and this doesn't make any fucking sense. Find the 11th term of the following sequence: 3
Times.
over 2, negative 8 over 6.
Wait,
I'm
what?
just gonna read my textbook and his notes.
gonna say
2,
6
that's times 3,
minus 4 thirds.
times 4, times
5,
5.
5, 4, no, 5/12.
Factorial.
3 halves, 4 thirds, 5/12. Wait, what?
3 plus 5 plus
1
7.
fifth.
Fine.
There's no pattern here. 5,
What?
7.
What are
Oh,
you doing, gang?
no, I know the pattern now. It's so the top is add 5, add 7, add 9, add 11, add 13. The bottom is add 4.
Bottom is obviously it's obviously factorial. I know because like
Oh,
I
yeah,
had
it is
this type of
factorial.
question on my first
So,
midterm. Yeah, that's literally me on my first fucking midterm. I sat there like a fucking idiot for 3 minutes and I walked out of the fucking building. I'm like, oh my god, it was factorial. That's why I confirmed it. Okay, I'm never falling for that ever again. I swear to God.
this is related to
It's
n
times
squared.
3 times 3 and times 4 times 5. That's factorial.
So 11 factorial, and then it's the 11th
11
term, so it
factorial.
has to be positive. So it's plus 7 plus 9 plus whatever the fuck. That
Yeah.
top can be expressed in like in a poly on like a
Wait, hold on, hold on. In this case, n would start at 1, right?
yeah.
I mean, it doesn't matter because even if you use 0, then the 11th term would just be 10. So yeah, but it makes sense. Okay, and then is the sequence of the previous problem bounded? What? What does that even
What
mean?
is this? Is the sequence of the previous problem about? Oh, so does it? So is it contained within a region? It's basically asking you, is it
Oh,
contained within a region? And there is not necessarily a theorem. I mean, it is a theorem that it's like bounded monotonic sequences converge. If that makes sense.
oh shit! I really should read my textbook. I'm pretty sure my textbook said that. Let me pull that up. Fuck ass textbook.
Am I right?
Page
Is that
was it like?
the? I think that is the correct reasoning.
I'll just pull up my textbook. It's definitely in my textbook. I remember it. I'm supposed to remember all this. Can you believe that? All of this.
Oh no, it wasn't the monotonic sequence theorem, but I think you can use a similar argument. No, you have to use the what is it? You have to use the it's like
Here it is.
it's decreasing overall, and it's
Oh,
the absolute
oh,
value
wait,
of
wait.
terms.
Wait, I found it. Can you see it? Can you see
Yeah,
this? Yeah. So if it's
convergent
convergence
sequences are
bounded.
bounded, so you use convergent
So
sequences.
it's just asking for convergency.
Yeah, they are asking you to for convergency, and
They
then
could have just asked if it's fucking Oh my god, bro. Oh,
it's
is it
confusing.
bounded?
Find the following
This
limits.
fuck ass
What
top.
the
I
fuck is
fucking
the?
hate this.
It's asking you to find the following limits, and then doesn't give you the limit. The next question.
Okay, I guess it's assumed that it's infinite, I guess, but yeah, you're right. What the fuck? Where's yeah, this is limb. It's funny as shit. Okay, but for this one, like first one, A, N would just cancel out, right? 6N and N. The N would just cancel out.
Yeah, but then you have
Oh wait,
to
no,
add
wait.
4n.
Retarded. I'm retarded. Wait, there's a plus 4 here.
Yeah,
There's a plus 4 here.
there's no such limit.
Wait, so this is kind of fucking form is this? Why the oh my god, bruh. Fucking
You can't
class.
use. I don't think you can use L'Hopital's because it's 4/0. So I think that would be no limit converges because it's 4/0.
No, I don't even, no, it would be 6N times sine N. Wouldn't you have to do like I already forgot how to do derivatives, but you got to do some special
No,
case thing,
you
shouldn't
can't
you?
use
Like,
you can't use L'Hopital's here. Not be, it's so L'Hopital's is when the top and bottom agree with each other that they're both 0 or infinity. So if the top and the bottom is infinity, or the top and the bottom is 0, which are undefined, then you use L'Hopital's. Otherwise, you can't use L'Hopital's.
oh, I thought you were
So I
saying
have
use
no idea how
L'Hopital.
you would.
I actually
Well,
don't. I don't even remember what L'Hopital's is. I've been just been solving limits with vibes and shit. That's probably why I got points off. But could you multiply?
I don't think this limit would exist.
Uh,
The one on the
okay,
bottom is
wait, but
0.
could you could you just multiply the whole thing by n over n to get rid of? Wait, no, that wouldn't get rid of it. I'm
Uh,
retarded. Hold on.
uh,
I mean, you could split it in two, right? And then you just have to find two limits. Is
you
that how limits
could.
work?
I mean, but what limit are we finding here? Are we like assuming a limit of infinity, or
I
are we
think it's
assuming a limit
infinite.
of
I
0?
think
I
it's
think it's supposed to be 0.
I think it's
Is
no, I
it
think it's supposed to be infinite.
the bottom question
Because like
obviously is infinity.
all the problems I've ever done in this class has been infinite limits. So I mean, let me write this down on paper. See if I can do it. So it'd be just be like limit to infinity
And
6
beyond.
n sine n o plus 4 over n. So I would be able to technically split this into a limit n to infinity 6 sine n plus 4 over n, right? I can do that, right?
Yes, but then
I
you
wish
have
I
the
could just show
problem
myself.
where you have the 4 over n. That doesn't converge to anything.
Well, yeah, that doesn't converge, so it diverges, right?
I would assume so, but like
Well,
you have to
yeah,
prove
4 over
divergence.
diverges.
You have to prove divergence, which is
Well,
what
I
I'm
don't
going to
have
do.
to because no, no, actually, I don't have to because I just gotta memorize the thing. Well, it's on my Discord. I posted it on my Discord so I could memorize it
No,
in here.
where's this
It's right
foundation
here. I
for?
can just pull up the thing. Here it is. Look, important series. Oh my god, I have to memorize all of this fucking bullshit. And another thing too. I have
What
to
is
memorize
this pi
another
over
set of
4?
bullshit. Yeah, it's fucking ridiculous. Why can't they just give this to me, bro? Like, this shit is not. Oh my god, I fucking hate math, man.
Okay,
Okay, but
this
it's just
one comes from the
one over
first one
n
comes from
diverges.
Taylor series. Uh,
Well, actually, wait. No, no, no. It's a limit. It's not a series. It's a limit, right? That means
it's a
it's just
limit of a series.
4 over n.
It's a
No,
limit
no,
of a
no. The
series
limit of
applied
4 over
to a
n is just
specific
0.
point. It's a limit of a
No, it
series.
doesn't say it's a limit of a series. It's just a limit.
It's a limit of a series
No, it's just a
applied to a
limit.
specific point at x equals 0, which gives you e. So the first one is the e to the x formula. The fourth one is the sine or cosine formula. I didn't get a good look at it, and the rest are probably. I think you'll
Wait,
only
wait,
need
wait,
one
wait,
or
wait.
two.
Hold on. Wait. What would be the limit of 6 sine n? Because doesn't that infinitely oscillate?
Yeah, so would
It's so
converge.
fucking. No, it's not even asking for convergence. It's asking for the value of the limit, right? So obviously 4 over n is 0 because it's a limit and from n to infinity
Just
and then
I would just put
4 over infinity
undefined,
is a 0.
or you and tell the teacher in person. I'm gonna have to mute myself on this from my stream because I'm streaming on Twitch and that's just my opinion. But
Okay, let me just search this up.
yeah, does not
Does
exist.
not exist.
So
Are you
I would say
fucking kidding me?
sine of n over
I'm
n
gonna
does
start
exist.
beating people to death. I can't even use squeeze theorem, bro. Ugh. It's fucking bullshit class, honestly. This class is so fucking bullshit. Bro, and then like last quarter I had such a great fucking math teacher, and also I knew the concepts already. But he had like a great projection of his voice and like his slides are super detailed. And then this fucking math teacher's like, let me show you his fucking notes. I'm gonna look over them anyways later.
Wait, what
Let me
year of
pull them up.
college are you in?
First year
Oh,
says right here. You can see my screen, right?
yeah,
Oh, well now you know which university I am at.
yeah.
You could technically
That's
dox
why I
me.
was saying I'm looking something up because you I was like, what Californian college abbreviates to UCR?
Don't leak me. Don't leak me. Don't leak my password and shit. Okay.
I literally
Where's his
told you this was
notes?
gonna be streamed like for like a week.
Oh fuck. Could you like not stream it? I forgot about that.
I literally told you before. You're like, I told you this 2 hours ago. We were gonna stream this. I told
Uh,
you in the message, not even like 2 hours ago. Hey,
is there anybody
Ashley's gonna
watching?
stream this.
Is there anybody watching?
There's like 8 people. I don't know if any of them are gonna remember this, so you might
Oh,
be fine. Might be fine.
all right. I low key. Okay, fuck. Fucked up. Okay, but doesn't matter. The fuck is this shit? I have
Definition.
no idea what any of this means.
What
Like, what the hell does this even mean?
are these your
It's like
notes?
nebulous ass flows. So. No, it's the teacher's notes.
Oh,
What the fuck? It's like so nebulous. Hell does this even mean?
it just means a limit. That's how the limit is defined. Um, any
Not a very,
more convoluted for
not
some
great.
reason.
It's like super convoluted, bro. What the hell?
Yeah, my
Okay, bro.
my
So,
teacher explained this better in like a sentence, a single sentence. Maybe I don't remember how many sentences. He just said like one sentence. We all got it.
okay.
I have banging questions.
Um, I hope no one doxes me. Oh yeah, are you on YouTube right now?
I am on YouTube right now.
Let me find your channel on YouTube then.
I have I can't say I can't say it because like Twitch has a specific policy of not saying it, and I'm also streaming on Twitch as well. Wait,
Oh, who's watching on Twitch?
I have no idea. So
Why are you
Twitch
streaming this?
and on X as well. I'm streaming on X. Why am I streaming
Oh,
this?
you are? Let me check that. Oh, I can't check X. Then they'll know who I am. Like genuinely, I can't do that. Okay.
I don't think anyone's seeing this because it counts the viewers from X as well, and it's only like 8 in total. So I think you might be fine. They now you know your name and university. How do you feel about that?
What?
They now know your name and university if they remember.
Yeah, they do.
Yikes!
Well, I'm just not gonna show it later. I'm just not gonna show it then. Unshare screen. I'll just hope they all forget about it.
I just hope core.
Yeah, I'm just hoping they'll forget about it. I can't paste fucking images in whiteboard. That's the problem. I wish I could.
Uh, is there another application that allows you to do this? Let's see here. Um,
Hold on, I'll just remember. Oh yeah, there's also polar and parametric equations, but those are just formulas I need to remember. Let me think. What?
there's a very
I think I
specific
actually
one.
know how to do everything. Wait, I genuinely think I actually know how to do everything. I just need to remind myself how exactly how to do it.
You need to work on speed. That's
Wait,
the
I'm not
thing.
that cooked. I thought I was like completely cooked. I thought I
No,
was
the
completely
thing
cooked. But
you
I
need
actually
to
know how
work
to
on
do
the
everything.
most is I'm gonna give you the best advice you will ever hear on your life in your entire life. The best way
Yeah.
to do math, any type of math, is to learn how to do it very, very quickly. It doesn't matter how hard the problem is. You
Yeah.
just need to learn how to do it as quick as possible. If you think if you think you're already
Okay.
pretty fast, try to be faster. Because if you can do it,
Uh huh.
if you can do the problem twice, that's fantastic. If you can do it 3 times, that's even better. If you do it 4 times, um, then it'll be a breeze for you. Just saying, like speed is probably the most important
Yeah.
skill in
Yeah,
tech.
that makes sense. Cause like fucking professor gave us 50 minutes for each test, and I kept having problems I couldn't finish.
Yeah.
Absolutely bullshit. Okay, let me try to remember if there's anything I can't do. Uh,
This should be raised.
I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Let's think. Took a bunch of notes on the video too. Alternating series test, limit comparison, uh, absolute test. I just actually did a problem here, and then Divergence test. It was probably the earlier stuff. I'll just look at my textbook. Yeah, monotonic. Oh yeah, how would I determine monotonicity?
Um,
Oh, that's how. It says right here. It says right here.
like
Wait, no, it's fine. It says right here.
if the derivative is
No, it generally just says we will examine a sub n plus one minus a sub n. And then if a sub n minus plus one minus a sub n is greater than zero, we conclude that blah blah blah. Okay, that's. I think I'm actually not that cooked. I actually know how to do most things, and the things I don't know how to do are relatively easy, except for maybe Taylor series.
Taylor
Let me go
series.
to that
Actually,
chapter.
I think that's the one I know how to do the most out of all of
Yeah,
these.
and that's the one that's also probably the hardest because that wasn't on any midterm, so I didn't study shit. Here it is. Taylor polynomials. Let me find
It's
some
basically
problem.
the one from the worksheet you had before. One of those, two of those, I think maybe three of those were Taylor series related.
Yeah.
And
See,
you know why the Taylor series is accurate, right?
I don't think we need to know that, but like I just know it works. I don't think he's gonna ask us any conceptual
Like
questions
how
about
do
this.
you know it works?
I don't fucking know, and I don't care, man.
This
I
is
just need
this
to
is this
pass
is
this
why
fucking
I
test.
like I have it
I'm
ruled.
not. No fucking job in the future is gonna be like, dude,
Do you want to pass
why
this
do
midterm or
Taylor
not?
polynomials?
Do you want to pass this midterm or not?
It's not even a midterm; it's a final,
Hey, do you want to
and there's
get
not gonna be conceptual questions.
do you want to
I
get
know there's not gonna be any.
do you want to brag about the other students about how you did the Taylor series formulas so easily?
I already know it. I've memorized it. Actually,
Bruh.
I think. Yeah, I need to refresh it, but otherwise I memorized it.
Uh
Bit foggy, but I know it. Let me try to find a
foggy.
problem for something I
Okay.
have no idea what the
So
hell it's about. That'd be possible. Yo, yeah. Wait. What the fuck does this mean?
what does what mean?
Taylor's theorem. I'll screen share for this one. Why can't I choose tabs anymore? This is so retarded. I just want to share one tab. What the fuck is this?
Well,
VTube
I
Studio
was gonna
Cam?
ask you um to do this one.
What does this mean? Like genuinely, what?
What does this
Bro, that's
represent?
just the P series, isn't it? That's a fucking P series. That's literally just the P series, man. A n plus b. It's in the form of a n plus b if you just rearrange all the variables. That's two. So this shit is literally convergent, like dead ass. But
Y-
technically, since there's a negative, no, the
Yeah,
two
yeah,
is fixed. It's
it
not.
is
Yeah,
convergent.
that's a P series.
It is
That's a P
convergent.
series. That's just convergent. Like I don't even need to think. Like
Yeah,
this shit
it
was
is
on the midterm.
convergent because it's a P series, but what is its convergence based on what you know? Because you need
What
to
is this
apply all that.
convergence?
Yeah, what is it?
Oh
What is
fuck,
it?
I don't know what the convergence is. There's like a formula for that, but I don't know it.
Yeah. Okay, so do you okay? Do you remember the proof of y
The proof of what?
of why that works? Like
No,
if you had to derive that this was convergent right now without knowing P series, could you do it?
but I know P series. Why would I torture myself like that? No.
Because you need to apply this to other problems besides the P series. Because you need the skills to do this for other problems as well.
Okay, I know that 1 over n is divergent,
Yes,
right? I could do a test on this. I could do
there
1
there are a
over
couple of
x
ways I'm
squared, which I
thinking
know is
about.
convergent.
There are a couple of things I know.
I could do limit comparison or whatever it's called.
You could do that.
Was it direct
That's
comparison?
one. So
Oh, where the hell is it? I wrote it down in like a bunch of notes. Oh no, that's the wrong page.
you could do
Divergence.
an
Oh, it's
integral
not
for one
right here.
over n
Limit
squared.
comparison. Yeah, I could do an integral
You could
test.
do integral.
Nah, I just do limit comparison. just divided by 1 over x squared.
What I was actually
Probably
thinking,
expanded.
you know what you could do here? This is really clever. Do a derivative. Actually,
Yeah?
never mind. Actually, can you do a derivative here? Yeah, you can. So
No idea. Yeah?
this relates to this. So I'm not gonna prove it right now, but this is proportional to this, and because it's proportional to that, and if you can prove that this converges, then it does converge. But you could do that. Uh, you can do this thing all the way down until you get something that is still proportional to
Oh,
it.
this isn't really helping. I'm just more confused.
Okay, never mind. I guess I'm just larping on. I guess I'm not helping.
What? Yeah, I'm just confused now. I mean, if I did, I don't know if I can do limit comparison test, but I think I probably could. Let me try it. 1 minus x squared over 1 over x squared. What was the rule for this? If I get just any finite number, then it works. Does 0 work?
Zero work for
I
what?
low key don't remember. I'm gonna have to search that.
Wait,
If
does
I use limit comparison test and I get a result, what?
wait? Where are we right now?
What? Bro, I'm doing a limit comparison test on this with x 1 over x plus 2, 1 over x squared. So this would just be equal to 1 minus x squared times x squared over 1, which equals, I forgot the limit is x to infinity, x to infinity, whatever. And then that would just be x squared over negative x squared plus 1, lim x to infinity. So obviously I can take the negative 1 out. X to infinity, then it'd just be x squared over x squared minus 1. Shit. Wait. Wait. If I have x squared over x squared minus 1, limit to infinity, right? Can I use L'Hopital's rule?
What did you just say?
If I have limit to infinity,
Mhm.
x squared over x squared minus 1, can I use L'Hopital's rule?
No, you can use it
Why?
for the inverse. If it, I think you could. You, you can't use L'Hopital's rule.
Pretty sure I can.
No, you can't. You can't use
Yeah.
L'Hopital's rule. But
Wait, why?
you could do something similar. You could multiply the both top and the bottom by 1 over x squared, and then that'll give you the limit, which is 1.
Oh yeah, I could. Wait, I remember this being on like a textbook or something. Yeah, so if I multiply each by 1 over x squared over 1 over x squared equals negative 1 lim x to infinity 1 over 1 minus 1 over x squared. And since 1 over x squared, where x is to infinity equals 0, this is just equal to 1. Shit. Yeah. So, and 1 is a number. So, limit comparison test says this thing is convergent.
Yeah,
Yeah. There. Okay, that wasn't actually that hard.
and then there we go.
I just gotta do some problems. That's all I gotta do.
That's my proof. It's not very rigorous, but it's the best explanation I got.
Low key can't see it. And also, I was rubbing my eyes and I hurt them somehow. Fuck.
So basically, we take
Is
the
that a
derivative
butt?
of
The hell is this?
that's just a
You
0.
got a butt here. That is not. Yeah. That is a fucking butt, bro. Got the crack and everything. Okay.
I'm just
What were you saying?
I'm not even gonna attempt to do this. Okay. Is there? I heard you
Yeah.
said you needed help with Gaussian elimination.
Oh no, that test is over. And also, I actually knew how to do that.
You can do it.
I was just being. Yeah, I can't do it. I was just being retarded. And also, the test's already over. I already took the test.
Oh,
I
is
finished at the
there?
last second.
Do you know if the final's gonna be on it or no?
That was the final.
Oh,
I'm on a quarter system, which you would know if you search my university's name up and searched up which system my university is. Do you remember which university I'm at? Don't say it.
uh, uh, um,
Yes or no?
I remember the initials.
Yeah, well then you know which university I'm at. Not that
No, because I'm
difficult.
not in California.
Exactly. I don't think there's any other universities with that acronym. Like if you search it up on Google,
There has to be. Oh no,
okay,
it
here's
just
my
comes up as
university.
it just comes up as the first result.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay,
literally the first
I
result,
saw the
the
symbol
most
and
famous one.
everything.
Yeah, well, do you remember my name? I'm pretty sure nobody remembers my name. I'll be safe unless someone wrote it down or something.
I I remembered your surname because I knew a guy in my high school with that
I mean,
surname,
my
and then
surname is relatively easy to remember.
he turned out to
Oh,
be
my
like
forename, not really.
I think I don't know if he was arrested for fraud because low key this was the most fraudulent thing I've heard anyone ever do.
Bro,
He
what the
said he
fuck?
put on his resume that he could speak Spanish even though he couldn't, and then he said he had all these things even though it was like so basically um he said he did all this like stuff with a company even though and then he did like I don't remember the full story but it was like he was funded by his parents to create this company and he tried to pretend this company was like all of that when it really wasn't. um he pretended to speak Spanish. I don't know how you pretend to do that. Like on his LinkedIn it was like it said uh that his qualifications were that he speaks Spanish even though he couldn't speak a lick of it. And I remember this because another guy
Bruh.
with a not a similar surname, it was an E instead of an U. Um he told me that about that and I was like there's no way because I had been with this I had been friends with this Mr. Insert your surname here because his surname was
Yeah?
important and and I was already friends with him before, but turned out he turned out to be like a big liar. So I don't know if you can get arrested for that for pretending to speak Spanish.
Well, I mean, if you get hired by a company that, counts on you to speak Spanish, they could probably charge you with like fraud or something.
I think he got expelled too. So
Oh, he must have applied to college with that. Pretty sure that counts as perjury. Bro, my parents were telling me, like, bro, you should write on your application that we're first generation college students, even though they both went to college in China. I was like, no, I'm pretty sure you can't do that. And if I did, I technically commit perjury. But like, anyways, I still gotta like, yeah, I just gotta refresh everything. But there's like too much random bullshit. Let me think if there's any. I just scroll through my textbook. Blah blah blah. Taylor series.
what's a
They asked me to like
really
write a
really
Taylor series.
niche? Like, is there really like anything really really niche that we should? I think I have
What the hell's a binomial
my
series?
notebook here
Is this on the
because
test?
I I did
Oh no, I have to remember this.
what thing?
Oh, oh, I have to fucking remember this. Do I have to remember? I swear to God, I have to remember this. Or I'm gonna blow my fucking head off. I have to remember this.
The
Oh my
first one
God,
is a
I'm pretty sure I
derivable.
don't. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure most of them are derivable. Oh yeah, how do you find interval of convergence?
The interval
I genuinely
convergence,
don't remember how to do that.
basically,
Yeah.
where it is possible, it is possible.
What the fuck does that mean? Could you do one? Just
Okay,
do one real quick.
so the way you
I like the first
find
one.
uh so this applies for absolute value of x is less than 1. This is correct. And so the integral of
Yeah.
that, um, this would
Wait,
be
wait, wait,
equal to
wait,
one.
wait, 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 wait. What does any of this mean? Hold on. Just do it for the first one on this list. Just do it for x to the power of n over n factorial real quick, please.
Okay, I could do this a couple of ways. I think. Well, I don't think that example
Hold on,
would
I'll
be.
just read my textbook. You're just confusing me. I'll just look at my textbook. What does it say?
That is true. You use the
How
ratio.
do you even
Yeah,
find it? Oh yeah, well
ratio
obviously use the
test.
ratio test. I remember to use the ratio test. I remember that. I just have no idea how exactly to do it.
Okay, so
So, the fuck?
you
There's
just
nothing here.
it's just the
Huh?
actual value. That's
I'm
it.
so confused.
So if you have I fucking hate how the system works. This whiteboard.
Wait, this is on my midterm. I'll
Okay, so
just
look at
look at my
this. For
midterm and
x
how I
to
did
the
it
n
before.
over n factorial, what you do is you go x to the n plus 1 over this is less than ever it's less than 1, right? I forgot, but
Yeah.
n plus 1 factorial divided by all divided by I this fucking whiteboard x to the n over n plus 1, no, not n plus 1, n factorial. This becomes in fact n plus 1 x to the n x over x.
Okay, I know how to do this, but like, could you explain like everything except ratio test? Because I'm like completely familiar with ratio test.
Wait, what did you
What does
say?
this mean? I'm completely familiar. Oh wait, I just remember how to do this. I just remembered how to do this. It just suddenly snapped. I just suddenly remembered. Hold on. Like now, I just need to look at how I did it on my midterm. I'll remember fully.
I don't remember
See,
fully
that
how
was
I
like the
how I did
yeah,
this. This was a
yeah,
while ago.
yeah. That's literally it. Absolute value of n plus one over n. I do the ratio test, and I find an absolute value of that. That's the radius of convergence. I think. Yeah,
That
one
is
over
the
three,
radius.
and then I have to find the interval. Wait, how do I find the interval?
Um, find the interval. So you know the middle.
What? How do you find the middle? I kind of forgot how to do that.
I'm not gonna lie, me too. It has
Shit.
something to do with the fact that no, it was the Taylor series. The Taylor series is centered at A, and so it's A plus or
Yeah.
minus the radius.
How do you find A again? I forgot.
A is in like the Taylor series. It's
Hold
like
on,
how you
wait.
find the
This
Taylor
problem
series
isn't
of
a
a certain
Taylor series.
value.
Wait, this problem low-key isn't a fucking Taylor series. What the fuck?
What do you mean?
I'm
What
looking at
is
my midterm question right now. I'm looking at my midterm question right now. Find the interval and radius of convergence for f of x equals
oh,
series
let me look at it.
3x. Okay. Let me try not to show my name this time in case anybody tries to get the idea to like remember it.
What is the first thing that comes up when I search your name? Not a
Probably
lot.
like a lawyer or some shit in like fucking Nevada. I don't know. I did a name search on myself once. There was like five other people with my same name in California,
Find the integral convergence for 3x minus 2 to the n. This
but they
is
were all like shit.
over n plus 6. Oh, geez.
Yeah.
And first you find the radius, and then where is the interval?
Oh, well, you could see my university stuff at the top.
Yes, I can.
Lol.
Ratio root
Yes, you
test.
can. But nobody knows my name. Nobody knows my name. Hopefully.
Incorrect radius of convergence. Incorrect one endpoint. Incorrect both endpoints. Incorrect one bound of interval. Incorrect both bounds. So you did the ratio test. I can't read your handwriting, so fuck if I know.
That's okay.
And then go down. I keep forgetting how I do this. Um,
I found the radius of convergence like somewhere over here. Where is it? It's right here? No. I have no idea what the fuck I wrote. Maybe I'll watch a video on this. Oh. Where's the thing? Where's like a thing? Oh, here it is, yeah. Absolute value of x is less than 1 over 3. That means x equals 1 over 3, comma, negative 1 over 3. What the fuck does that even mean?
so go up, go up, go up. I think I know what it is. So it's 3x minus a is less than or equal to r. So you just r plus or minus
Oh,
a.
wait.
And a is
Oh, shit. I just remembered.
minus 2/3.
Oh, wait. I just remembered. Oh, yeah. See, I wrote it right here. The center is 2 over 3.
Yeah.
So it's a distance of 1 over 3 from 2 over 3 from both sides. So the endpoints are 1 over 3, 1. I
So
wrote that shit
you just
wrong
got the
somehow.
radius wrong. You got the radius wrong. So
No, I
that
didn't.
just made your
No, I
endpoints.
didn't get the radius wrong. No, incorrect one bound of interval. No, it's probably one of these comma thing, not parentheses. I'm pretty sure one of these was
Oh,
like
wait, what question
convergent, the
is
other
this?
one was divergent. But I wrote.
Well, what
What do you
question
mean?
is
Which question is
this?
this?
Problem 3. Look at your right. What is this? Not the condition.
Like right?
Let me just check. I need it. I'll check in a little later. I need to find. Never mind. I just found a pen. Thank you so
So
much.
I just gotta plug in the numbers at each of the endpoints. In this case, it's x. Yeah. So I plug in each endpoint at x. So I leave n intact, and I take infinite series with n blah blah blah, and I have to test if it's convergent or not. So that equals 0. Yeah, I'm gonna watch a video on this. I luckily don't remember shit.
2/3 on 1. That's 5/3. Are you sure you did it correctly?
I mean, I got 14 out of 15 on it, so yeah. Except I don't remember how I did it. That's all. This is an AST
Oh wait, I'm getting
after I
confused.
plugged in negative 1 over 3.
I'm getting absolutely
Okay, so
mongored now.
I
Incorrect
plugged
one
in
bound of interval.
negative 1 over 3.
1/3. How do you
Becomes,
get the rate?
I do AST, it's divergent. So at negative 3, I mean, negative 1 over 3 is divergent. Where's the place where I plugged in 1? Did I forget to plug in 1? I might have just forgotten to plug in 1 like Loki.
Sorry, the way your system's set up is so confusing to me. I don't know why. I
I
thought you
did this, I had like 15 minutes to do this whole test. Okay, like, that's like what? Okay, that's actually not. Oh, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like 10 minutes for each question.
it's not
And I didn't like even study that much. So,
it's not that bad.
I mean, I study a lot for this actually. It's not, I mean, tech is mostly correct, but like I still made some mistakes. I think I just forgot to plug in 1 or something. Because if I
Incorrect
plugged
one
in
bound of
1, it
interval.
would just be 3 minus 2, which would be
Oh,
1.
I'm so
So 1 to the power
stupid.
of n. So
See,
1 over n plus 6.
I misheard
Wait,
what
that's.
A, I misheard what you said. B, I got the user interface wrong.
Oh,
Sorry. You
what
can
does
move
that even
on.
mean, bro? Okay, wait, I wrote it here. 1 over n diverges, 1 over n plus 6 diverges. So 1 over n plus 6 diverges,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yes.
But if I plug in -1/3 becomes a alternate series problem. My conclusion that is divergent because the function of the series be increasing because it's not it's obviously increasing because it's exponential over a linear. Like that's obviously increasing, so it fails AST, so it means it's divergent. Wait, then what the fuck did I do wrong then? What do you mean incorrect one bound interval? This is fucking bullshit. Loki did it right. Both ends are divergent. The fuck?
I'm looking over this very carefully. Did you do something wrong? Oh, wait. You multiplied by -1/3?
Yeah,
But aren't you supposed to...
because shit. Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I. Okay, yeah, that makes so much sense. Okay, I can literally understand why I wrote that. I must have been thinking like, yeah, so it's -1/3, 1/3, right? 1/3. I was like, yeah, that's one, and I was thinking of 2/3 because that's the A, that's the center, and I was thinking, okay, now I got to subtract 1/3 from it, and I was thinking of subtract, so I wrote negative. Fuck, I'm retarded. Okay, that's why. That's why. That wasn't too hard.
Eh? No, that wasn't.
Okay,
That wasn't that hard at all.
well now I figured out. This also helped me figure out how to do these problems. So that's good. What else is there? What is this? Fuck is this? What do you mean skip details? Is this not detailed enough? Oh, is you want me to actually prove this is decreasing? Way I would do that is just write n+1
This
over.
looks like
I mean
some
n+1 minus
Ramanujan
n.
type shit where you would like be given the answer in his dream or something.
Okay, wait. So AST is three conditions decreasing. Okay, decreasing, continuous. No, it's not. It's wait. I wrote this down. Where is it? Yeah. So the limit of it is 0, decreasing, and it's positive. So I mean, this is it positive? How would I prove that it's positive? That's such a weird fucking question. Like, how would I even prove that it's positive? When I just look at it, be like, there's no negative signs to be found, so it's positive. Is that not enough?
I'm sorry, where are
It's like
we?
that's what I did for everything else. I'm talking about AST. Look, right? Oh yeah. Also, apparently, n factorial over n to the power of n is fucking 1/e. Fuck, I didn't know that. I didn't know
That's
that. I
not
didn't
one
know
over
I was
E.
supposed to know that.
Wait, is that actually one over
What
E?
is it then? Like, no, I don't know. That's what they wrote. That's what they wrote here. Look, I lost 1 point because I didn't find the limit equals 1/e. Like, what? What 1/e? What the fuck are you talking about? I did a ratio test. I got what was the result? I had to fucking figure this out like manually. Oh yeah, I got square root of n square root. Wait, nth root of n factorial over nth root of n to the power of n. And I know n to the power of n is 1. I know that. So I just get nth root of n factorial. And I have to figure out, like right here, you could see I was like figuring out, like from first concepts, that like that would be less than 1, which means it converges, which means it's absolute convergence. So apparently I did that right. But like, why is the limit 1/e? I'm so confused. What does that even mean? But oh, my name's showing again. Why is my name showing again? No, it's showing my name. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. Okay,
Nobody saw that. I
so
was
like,
zoomed in.
yeah, okay, well that's fine then. Why don't you just zoom in constantly so nobody can see my name? Duh.
I didn't realize I wasn't zoomed in until it was like too late.
What? Were you zoomed in?
I was zoomed in this time, but last time I was
Oh yeah, okay. Now you're zoomed in, so you can't see my name, right?
no.
Yeah, well, my name's not showing anyways. But anyways, that means I can just open the problem.
Bro,
Okay, so here.
even if I'm zoomed in, sometimes it shows the name. Bro,
Oh,
why can't
fuck.
I get this to behave properly?
Why can't I just not show my name? It's just so gay. Okay, whatever. I'll just stare at this. That's the wrong page. Here it is. Fuck was like, why is the limit 1/e? Why did they just say that?
This is hurting my brain.
How is it 1/e? Why is it 1/e? Like, why? I'm pretty sure that. What? Why did I have to even know that?
Use the okay.
Like, it's asking about the convergence and not what the limit is. Fuck
Look,
ass problems. I fucking
okay,
hate these
go
problems.
to the Taylor series formula.
What?
Go to the
This
Taylor
isn't
series
even a Taylor
formula for each
series.
of the
This is
x.
just the ratio. What?
Go
No,
to
this
the
isn't even a Taylor. Wait, I gotta find the table
no, no,
with all
I
the
assure you it will be
all
relevant.
the.
Why don't you just remember that?
I can't remember all of this. And I gotta remember some sign bullshit too, but I already forgot what it was I was supposed to remember. So over.
I, to be fair, I don't remember trig at all.
Oh,
Like
here it
I
is.
can't.
Important
For the life of
series.
me, I can't. I can't.
This shit is not in the fucking important series table. How the fuck was I supposed to know that? They're just making shit up at this point. They're literally just making shit up. Oh, you gotta know this fucking thing. What? How? Fuck ass class, man. Fucking
Okay, this is the Taylor series formula for e to the x.
1/e isn't here either. 1/e isn't here either. There is no 1/e here. What?
Look at okay.
Okay.
Go to the
The what?
the the whiteboard. I don't know why.
The
But
oh,
look at the
why couldn't
whiteboard.
you say that?
What?
Uh, yeah, I'm looking at it.
So that's what you need to know for that problem. I think.
Why?
And then you plug in -1 for
Why
each.
is x to the why is x to the power of I wait, is that even the right thing?
Yeah, it
Is
is.
that even the thing I had?
It's on your
I'll just
screen.
look at this. I'm looking at my test. Let me make sure that's what I wrote. Yeah, I have the limit of
You didn't write e to the x
oh, I
anymore.
took the root test. That's why.
The reason it wasn't apparent to you is because the teacher is stupid and thought you would recognize it immediately as a form of um as a form of e to the x, and then you plug in -1 for x.
I have no idea what the fuck that means, man. Genuinely no idea what that means.
Lokerkenuan.
I'm so fucking confused. Wait, let me
Go
just
up,
look
go
at
up.
this.
I need to confirm something.
What?
Go up to the problem. N factorial over n to the n is 1 over e. You plug in 1 to the 1 factorial. And then it's minus, no, it's even. So that's 1 minus 2 over 2 squared. It's 1/2. 1 minus 1/2. 1 plus, no, 1 minus 1/2 plus 1/6. Maybe it is. I'll confirm with myself if that's the proper way to do that. I don't think it is,
Right.
but it may be. So
So
it's
I did a ratio test. I didn't do it.
to the n plus 1 times n factorial over n to the n. And so that would turn into, from 1, this would be, that's even, so that's 1. That's 1 over 1. So this is 1 minus, because it's going to be odd, and then 2 factorial over 2 squared. That's 2 to the 2, so 1 half, plus 3 factorial, 6 over 27, 2 over 6 over 27, 6 over 27. I'm trying to do this mentally. 6 over 27, 2 ninths. No, that's not right. What the fuck is this? What? Okay, I have no idea. It's n over.
I actually know what I did, kind of. Kind of know what I did.
1 minus
Except I'm kind of sleepy now. You
plus.
know what? I think I might just go shower, bro. Loki might just go shower.
Fair enough, but also I'm trying to think why that would be the case. I don't know how you would
Can I
derive that.
unshare my screen? I will
Yes, you
be
may.
unsharing my screen.
What? Yeah. I have no idea how you would start doing that.
Okay, I'm gonna look for you. I'm gonna look at your Twitter and see if it's streaming now.
It's not on mine. It's on a different account. It's on
Uh-huh.
Liberty Bears. Cause why not?
Why'd you type all this? What the hell's Rumble? Is that like a dating app?
No, and you shouldn't have said that because now I'm gonna get banned on Twitch. Because you can't
Oh
say that
fuck.
on
Sorry
Twitch.
about that, man. I meant like the verb. I meant the verb.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Be
Like
a
the
good
verb. The
boy.
totally I totally meant the verb.
Be a good boy for.
I totally You're not on Twitter, gang.
No, it's on a
I mean
different
Twitter's
account.
not
Liberty
even a
Bear.
real thing anymore. Okay.
Liberty Bear is
The fuck have
live
you been?
because I'm live. Or is it?
Oh. Yeah, I found you. This
Yeah.
stream has ended. Close stream. Bro, you aren't on it anymore. Close the damn stream. Close the damn stream. It's ended.
No, that's the disc. Wait, what? I'm confused. Okay. Anyways, I still don't know how
9
that's
views.
possible.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop off now.
Okay, see ya.
Yeah, see ya.
How the fuck is that possible, dog? What? Wait. What? Okay. So it's n to the n over n factorial, and then that's 1 over e. How are you supposed to derive that? Like, what? Okay, so the first 2 terms match, by the way. That's important to know. So I'm gonna try to solve this math problem right now in my room. So I need a piece of paper that is longer than that because I just have that right now. Oh, I have many pieces of paper. And then this part. Oh, why are these so discolored? Okay. In all seriousness, I need to solve this math problem because it's gonna keep me up at night if I don't solve it. And you guys can join this Discord if you want, but I'm all up for it. Uh, so I'm gonna try to prove that the identity is true, but I have no idea why or how I would start. No, it's n to the n over n factorial. So this sequence would go from 1 to so then I also have x to the n over n factorial, but this is also minus 1. So this would mean, okay, so this would mean, and this is from this is from 0, right? I think it is from 0. Looking it up right now. It is from 0. Oh, geez, that's going to make the problem even worse. So it's from 0, and I have to do that. Okay. So I have to ship 1 plus 1, or 1. Oh, goodness. Okay, that's gonna be very hard. So obviously I could do this towards infinity and beyond. N equals 0. And so I can hit the expression when n equals 1 by just adding 1. So it is, no, that would be much harder. No, I think what would be much easier is if we did n equal to 1, and then we do it for every, no, I'm trying to think here. Okay. So it's from 0 to infinity, right? Sorry, my apologies. Now, because they should supposedly be equal, now I don't know if we can do that, right? Can we do that? Maybe, maybe not. I should probably hop on Discord on another tab and check the messages, because fuck the messages here in general. But I think, do I have? I don't think I'll have it soon, but I'll try to have it. Now, if I want n equal to 1, then I need these to be n minus 1 and n factorial minus 1. Now, that's going to ruin a whole lot, because if I bring it over to this side, then it's going to be the sum of infinity from n equals 0 to 1 of n to the n of minus 1 to the n over n factorial. You'll also have to subtract this by minus 1 to the n minus 1 over n factorial. N minus 1 factorial. Well, how do I multiply n? Well, I can do n here. And so the total of n. So this would be equal 0. This would be the sum, n equals 0, n to the n minus 1 to the n minus n minus 1 to the n minus 1. No, I don't even have to do that. I could do n minus 1 here, n minus 1, and then I don't have to do that. So instead, I could sum from 1 to infinity n to the n minus 1 times minus 1 to the n minus 1 to the n minus 1. So plus minus 1 to the n over n minus 1 factorial equals 0. Now, this is so stupid. Now, what would this imply? So that means that n to the n minus 1 to the n plus 1 over n minus 1 factorial equals 0. Now, what would the derivative from that be? The answer is I would not know. I would have to prove that first. Oh, jeez, that does not feel right to me. No, I couldn't do that. So, fuck, man. How do I prove that? Like, that's the identity it told me, and I can't think of any reason why it would be true. Maybe it's in the one in how the sum operates. So if we do n to the n over minus 1 to the n over n factorial. If we did that, and we did it from 1 to infinity, now how would I do that? I'll do term by term, right? No, actually. Because you said n plus 1, right? So it would be, that's 0. That's 1 over 1. 1. 1 minus 2 to the 2 over 2 factorial. I'll just use Wolfram Alpha. Maybe his professor's retarded. I just can't find it. I just can't. I've been trying for like a few minutes and I can't find it. I hate natural language. I hate natural language mode. 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 What the fuck is that, bro? It's every day, bro. What the fuck? Kill yourself, man. What the fuck is wrong with you? That's not at all what I wanted. It's my fault. Oh, jeez. Okay. Maybe ChatGPT can help me now. I'm going insane over this. I can't sleep because of this. Not in Sterling's approximation. Well, I'm going crazy. See you guys.